How to create a wallet on Daedalus to stake with Coin Ceylon. Installation. How to download the Daedalus wallet. Number 1. Download Daedalus. Go to daedaluswallet.io/en/download and download the Daedalus wallet. Number 2. Sync with blockchain. Wait for the wallet to sync the blocks. Restore wallet. How to restore a wallet in Daedalus. Number 1. Select Restore. If you have already created a wallet in Daedalus and have funds stored, click on Restore. If you have not created a wallet before and would like to create a wallet, go to Create Wallet for instructions. Number 2. Select Wallet Type. Choose the wallet you want to restore and click Continue. Number 3. Recovery phrase. Enter your recovery phrase in the correct order and click Check Recovery Phrase. Number 4. Configuration. Enter a name for your wallet and set a password. Make sure it's secure because you need it to send funds. Then, click Continue. Number 5. Wallet restored. Your wallet has been successfully restored in Daedalus. Create wallet. How to create a wallet in Daedalus. Number 1. Create a Shelly wallet. Enter a name for your wallet and set a password. Then, click Create Shelly Wallet. Number 2. Safety message pop-up. Read the message carefully and click Continue to view your recovery phrase. Number 3. Save the recovery phrase somewhere safe. Write down the 24 words of your wallet recovery phrase in the correct order, as you will need to key it in the next step. Number 4. Verify recovery phrase. Enter your 24-word wallet recovery phrase that you have written down and click Confirm. Number 5. Read the checkbox carefully. Ensure you have read both the checkboxes before ticking and click Confirm.